A large pipe was buried by the Chinese within the reef of Scarborough Shoal. This detail was obtained by a civilian group that entered the 20 nautical mile area of Bajo de Masinloc and provide aid to fisher folks.
Ngayon daw po, tinaboy na sila, hindi na sila pinapayagan doon kasi nagkaroon na ng activity sa loob. So may nakabantay na doon, meron lang itinatay yung tubo sa gitna ng Bajo de Masinloc.
According to Mark Figueras, the leader of the civilian group, who bravely faced the dangers to accomplish their mission, the fishermen reported that they have been prohibited by China from approaching the reef for about a month now.
Yung huling nakausap ko po bago matapos yung namin doon, umalis kami, ang sinasabi nila sa akin, yun, kinokol ko po yung mga taga-gobyerno natin. 1 month bago mangyari ito, dati nakakadikit pa sila ng around mga 100 meters, 50 meters sa Bajo de Masinloc.
It's a puzzle for fishermen what the large pipe is for, as they have been prohibited from fishing nearby and have not received any information. Chinese Coast Guard vessels are also surrounding the perimeter of the reef, with 4 guarding the entrance and 5 PLA Navy vessels inside. Chinese fishermen are also reportedly asking Filipino fisher folks when they fish in the perimeter of Scarborough Shoal. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.